Viewers, welcome to Murads kitchen. Today we're gonna show you how to make chocolate chips cake. It's fantastic, easy to do it. For that we need flour, eggs, sugar, butter, chocolate chips, vanilla and salt. Let's start. Let's put the butter in the bowl. Then the sugar. We got to mix them well. Now we're going to add the eggs one by one. We're going to add our flour to it now. We're going to add our vanilla, pinch of salt, and the chocolate chips. Mix them all together. Now we're going to put it in a cake tin. Now we're going to put it in the oven. We'll bake it for 160 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. Viewers, my cake come out of the oven. We'll let it rest for a minute. Look at that, how cute they looks. Wow, I can't wait and resist. That's our beautiful chocolate chips cake. We're gonna slice it now. Viewers, look at my chocolate chips. Wow, they looks really beautiful. I can resist. They look really chocolatey and beautiful. Viewers, enjoy and bon appetit my beautiful chocolate chips cake.